Namaste, welcome to Brinda's Healthy Lifestyle. Today let me share you a simple and healthy lunch recipe where I am going to use sprouted horse gram, which is also known as uruli kalu in Kannada and ulavalu in Telugu. So here I have taken a cup of sprouted horse gram where I have sprouted this for almost 2 to 3 days. I am going to let me add some water here to boil, and let me add almost 1.5 teaspoon of crystal salt, and let me add a pinch of homemade turmeric powder, then almost half teaspoon of jeera, and let us place this on a stove. Make sure that you are keeping your stove on medium flame. Let this keep on cooking. On another hand, let us place this millet bowl also. So here I have taken foxtail millet. Make sure that you are soaking your millets at least minimum 5 to 6 hours before if you are using millet. This is the important step before you cook millets. Soaking is an important step we need to notice. So here I have taken 1 cup of foxtail millet and 2 cups of water here, and let us keep on medium flame. You see, let us check whether this is cooked or what. Make sure that it is cooked almost 70 to 80% and keep it on low flame. By the way, let us keep some 1 teaspoon of coconut oil here, and a pinch of or half teaspoon of jeera, and 1 green chilli. Let me take almost 4 to 5 cloves of garlic also, and I have taken a medium sized onion chopped. Then after few seconds, let me add 2 medium sized tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are soft, let me add a handful of coconut here. Then saute it for another 2 to 3 minutes and switch off the flame. Add some coriander leaves. Then make it to cool down. Let this cool down. By the way, we will see our millets. You see how nicely it is cooked. So let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. It is almost cooked. 90% is cooked. Let us cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. You see it is cooked here. So just close the lid and switch off the flame. Then we will add this fried onion tomato into this mixer jar. And then let me add 1 teaspoon of sprouted horse gram, which is almost cooked here, and then let me add a pinch of crystal salt. I have already added salt in this sprouted horse gram, right? So I have added very little. Then let me take a pinch of a small piece of tamarind here. Then close with the lid. Here I have taken tomatoes, right? So no need to add water. If you wish, you can even add some water and make it a soft paste. See how nice it is without adding water itself. So let us add this paste to this cooked horse gram, where we have little amount of water into this. So let it cook for at least another 5 to 10 minutes. You see how nicely it is cooking. So let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once it is almost cooked and gravy is bit thick, then switch off the flame and add some coriander. If you wish, you can even add some seasoning also, but I am not going to add any seasoning here. Just switch off the flame and take it to serving plate. This is the healthiest lunch, where if you have a cup of rice itself, it will be fulfilled almost for 4 to 5 hours. Thank you.